So we are here in the hills of St. Andrew. And over there we're viewing the Blue Mountains, which runs across St. Andrew. And there you have it, the lush vegetation. And this is us in the hills. Yeah.
Eternal fire, dirty Babylon, you are gonna get bruised. Me, I want them fire. I said they just can't win, you're going to lose.
That's good. Where are you going? Looking on the property. So we're up St. Andrew. Come, sis. And we're viewing one of the structures here in St. Andrew. This construction has been going on for a while in the hills, so I have to watch my step. Watch my step. Wow, look, brushy breadfruit. So yesterday we were at my country, or what I should say, where my relatives are from. My husband is from Kingston, but his mother originated from St. Andrew. So we're here in St. Andrew and we're looking at one of the houses that's currently being built. And we're just taking a tour of the property.
My journey's just begun, and now I'm off on my way. Hey, now everywhere around me I see happiness. Going to find that true place, I made my mind rest. My life was a mess, that made of love one vex, but to the heights of my intellect.
I don't think so. I'm nothing to you now.
Sis and the jelly. Dance, Rasta. Move, shake your foot, Rasta.
Yeah.
Come, Rasta, let me see foot move. How for Pepsi that?
Right.
Okay, come, I know enough for Rasta.
Eh?
I know enough for Rasta Pepsi.
Yes, you know, I want our vibes, you know.
Then I want them to drink it up.
Alright.
Ras, how has it been today?
It was lovely, you know. Having a great time, you know. With families, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, you know.
And how was the driving?
It's good.
Yeah?
Safe traveling.
Why you fly down quick off at the hills though?
Yeah, but safely, you know.
Safety, of course.
Yeah.
Safety first, always.
You gotta protect the one you love, you know. Always. Yeah.
Alright, Marcy. What do you mean? Keep it goodie a goodie. At the controls.
Most definitely.
Sis, how was your day?
It was good, you know. With family and friends.
Of course.
You know.
Yes.
Long time no see. So we just connect today.
Of course, that's nice.
Understand? Yeah. And
Yes.
the drive was good. You know.
True.
Brother, sister-in-law.
Hey.
Have a wonderful day.
Of course we did. Yeah, man.
So
So that's how
big
we...
up every time for the driver.
Down mercy, driver, don't stop at all. Drop this Arizona round a Albemarle. Driver, don't even itch. Collect a little food there and come back quick. Driver,
Driving.
Yes.
Conscious driving.
Yes.
You know.
What do you mean,
Big
sis?
up.
Big up.
Give thanks. Up. Yes,
Alright,
sister.
but that's really it. Rasta. You know, she have a throw a little shade. Bless up. Evening traffic. It's not so bad. Driving again. through New Kingston, and we are heading home.
When I Subaru
Uh-huh. Fast enough.
yeah.
The Subaru there race a carry them, man.
RX.
Never RX. Trafalgar Road down this one. And we're gonna pass. And for the Brits who are watching, we're now passing the British High Commission. And it's to your left. There you go. It's the big gate there. British High Commission. See there? Her Majesty. The Queen of England. Yes, sir. Here we go, here we go. Oh, 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 oh. But we've had an eventful day. It's not been bad at all. We've achieved all that we set out to achieve today.
Rastafari Way.
And we're just making our way home.
Hey, I'm trying King's Highway.